To celebrate Eid, I made myself a delicious chocolate fondant and posted the picture on my Facebook page. So of course many of you wanted to know how to make it. So today we're going to see how. As usual, this recipe is so simple to make, and I promise this is going to be your absolute favorite chocolate dessert. So let's start! 5 ounces of dark chocolate. Use at least 60% cocoa dark chocolate. 3 large eggs. 1 cup of sugar. You can adjust the amount of sugar depending on the sweetness of the chocolate you are using. 5 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of flour, and half a teaspoon of cardamom. You can make this recipe without the cardamom, or you can replace it with any flavor of your choice, like vanilla extract, chili pepper, or cinnamon. The first step is to melt the chocolate and the butter in a bain-marie, where you place the bowl over boiling water. Once the chocolate and butter are melted, add your spices. I'm using cardamom, but you can use chili powder, cinnamon, vanilla extract, or any other spices of your choice. Using an egg beater, beat the eggs and the sugar together until you get a whitish mixture. The next step is to mix the chocolate with the eggs. As you're doing so, keep stirring so your eggs do not cook, because the chocolate is hot. First, add a little bit of the chocolate to temper the eggs. And then keep adding chocolate little by little. Now incorporate the flour to the chocolate mixture. The last step is to butter the ramekins so we can bake our chocolate mixture. A ramekin is a small ceramic baking dish used usually to make soufflés or fondants. Preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit degrees. Bake the fondant for 12 minutes, but the time of baking may change based on your oven. The chocolate fondants are ready. Use a towel or a mitten to handle the ramekins because they're very hot. You can either eat the chocolate fondant within the ramekin or flip it on a plate. Let the chocolate fondant cool down for 1 to 2 minutes before serving. And here is the best part. Bon appétit!